Hey guys, it's Sara1223. Welcome back to another YouTube video. So, let me think. In Florida, where I do live, it is hurricane season, also known as rainy season, also known as death and scariness. So, here are big tips to help you. So, the first thing is utensils to eat with, things to play with like fidget cubes or fidget spinners. Then you're going to need, if you have pets, it's going to be 3 or 2. Sorry, of the light. 3 or 2. I have 3, so I just found these from like a few years ago. This one has human food in it. This one has pet treats and your pet food in it. This one has 2 large water bottles filled with water and some snacks too, and food that doesn't get stale or doesn't need to be refrigerated either. So those are the tips you guys will be needing to pass hurricane season. Bye!